Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to set ringtone in Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to set ringtone in your Redmi mobile, so how to set ringtone one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, you want to set ringtone in your Redmi mobile, so how to set ringtone, let's see. Open your phone's setting. After phone settings, friends, you can see this type interface. So how to set ringtone. So if I open your Redmi mobile phone sound and vibration setting. After phone sound and vibration, friends, click here ringtone. All ringtone setting, and press which ringtone you want to set in your Redmi mobile. Select your ringtone. So friends, I will use this ringtone. And friends, you can see ringtone will set in my Redmi mobile, and friends, you can increase ringtone volume from here, and left side you can decrease. So like that friends, ringtone will set. And friends, you want to set notification ringtone sound, so friends click here, select your notification ringtone sound, and your notification ringtone sound will on. And friends, you want to use alarm ringtone, so friends click here which ringtone do you like, select your ringtone, and friends your ringtone will set. And you can adjust your alarm volume from here, ringtone volume and media volume from here. And friends, you want to change your Redmi mobile phone ringtone, so again click here and you can change ringtone in your Redmi mobile. Select your new ringtone and your ringtone will change. So friends, I will use mi mix remix ringtone. So friends, you can see ringtone will change. So like that friends, we can set and we can change ringtone in Redmi mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.